Hello, so today we're gonna teach you how to delete Facebook account. First step, open the app, then click here. Just scroll down till you see settings and privacy. So click it, then click settings again. Just click personal and account information. Then click account ownership and control. Once here, just click the activation and deletion. So the activation will temporarily delete your account, while deleting will remove your account permanently. So click here to continue to account deletion. Then here we'll see a bunch of choices for reasons why we're quitting the app. Then let's click the first one. Just agree and continue. So just read here the terms on what's gonna happen when you go delete your account. Then scroll down till the bottom. Then just click delete account. So here just type out your password. Then click continue when you're done. So just click delete account. Then it will be automatically deleted if you do not log into it again. So that's it for teaching you how to delete permanently your Facebook account. Thanks for watching.